Want to say hello to the camera?
Hello, camera.
Hello, camera. We me and Lakin are on the missions today. We are going to, what is it? We go to Koro's house, eh? We're going to Pyro House of Customs again to pick up the muscle, the mild turbo muscle. It's now non-turbo. Man, it was just a busy time and we didn't really document pulling it all off and pulled the turbo and stuff off, and I've gone to, what is it? Mower Man.
Yeah.
So I've pulled all the turbo off just to give you a bit of a rundown what's happened. I haven't showed it. I've showed it on Instagram and stuff if you've seen it on there, but we've pulled all the turbo and stuff off, and I've gone to my old factory night rod exhaust that I had, just the front half and 3/4, and then on the end I've just gone to the tab turnout tips, which I'll show you when we get there. But yeah, I've sort of, my brother-in-law's got he's got an earlier V-rod, but it's he's got the same sort of exhaust, the tab standard front and then the tab rear ends and no baffles in them, and I reckon it sounds mean, eh? But it's just like quite a big butty exhaust. But if you can get used to that, which I think I will be, it'll be all good. So that's sort of the theory behind why we're running the standard exhaust. Still rowdy, it's got like a smoother, different sort of tone. You can still tell it sounds like a V-rod, but yeah, I reckon they sound fat and it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, that was to replace the turbines that we took off. And then I've got night rod rims, which night rod rims I reckon look mean. But the muscle rims are still fat too, but yeah, I ended up selling those and buying night rod rims, get them painted gloss black from Mark at Right Price Panel and Paint in Rotorua. What else did we do? We got rid of the burley bars and we've gone to the T-bars, 16-inch T-bars. I usually run 14s, but I've been riding some of the boys with 16s and I reckon they feel better and look cooler too. Some hammer down T-bars from Connor at House of Customs. He had them in stock, so I scored them off him. I got the seat reupholstered. What else did I have done? I think that's about it. The pulley and everything's all painted. But nah, it looks like a cool V-rod, how I like them, eh? Just like all blacked out. Shaved the brake calipers. Dallas done heaps of work on it. He painted the calipers, I think. Yeah, and he shaved them for me. And then I've got the Brembo stickers on there. Someone off Facebook does the Brembo stickers. They're mint. Like, he's got all of them. They curve, even if you want to put them on the forks or whatever. But yeah, we're just heading over to Pyro now. We've got a quick stop in Te Aroha. We've got to drop off a lounge suite to my father-in-law who lives over there. And my brother-in-law actually, there for him, but at the father-in-law's house. And then we will head to Pyro where I got a couple of little extra. I went away from the Power Commander and I've gone to the Power Vision upgrade and the ECU, and then kind of tunes it. So it's just going to be a pretty much stock rod with a K&N air filter, stock exhaust with the deep baffle tab tips, and then yeah, that's pretty much it really. So it's just going to be like your normal rod and fully blacked out muscle. Yeah, I like them like that, eh? But yeah, we're on the road, and yeah, I'll catch up with you there. I've got kind of done my dash, changed the lighting and stuff on it, so I don't know, it might be too bright to notice it, but instead of the factory yellow backlighting, we've gone and switched it up a bit. I changed the background to K's and he's calibrated it through the dyno and stuff like that, so it's all accurate. So yeah, we'll carry on our mission, eh, Lakin? You tired?
Yes.
Just stopped at McDonald's and got a quick feed at Matamata. But yeah, catch you up when we get to House of Customs Pyro. No. Oh, it's not plugged in. Right, yeah, that'll look mean at night, see. So you're changing that miles to K's? Connor? Alright, Jack. Yep. Oh, crazy. Easy, eh? Look at me. Yeah. Sweet. Connor's done good.
I'm busy right now. Something's wrong. It's this.
Oh, yeah.
This part here.
Oh, because that looks like it's going to make a...
It's going like that.
Yeah.
It makes the vibration noise that goes.
Oh,
Just glue
true.
it on.
Oh, yeah, sweet. Easy, brother. Choose to wash. We're on, baby.
Take a more proper ride when we get back. I didn't bring my helmet or anything.
There
you go.
Connor.
Here's your USB stick with your Power Vision license and Dyno graph and everything else on it as well.
Oh, is that what it comes on then?
Well, I give it to you like that. It
Oh,
doesn't
yeah,
actually come on
sweet.
that, but you know.
Yeah, mean.
Here's your Dyno sheet, maximum horsepower, 120 at the rear wheel.
Oh, yeah, sweet.
And here's just a comparison of before and after, no tune. This is after it's tuned.
There. Coming in
So-
real hot. Which one's which?
So here, see the difference in color?
Yeah,
Light
yeah,
blue.
yeah.
So that one's that one.
Yeah.
This is torque and horsepower. It moves the torque curve like it does here, up or down.
So that would have been the same if you had done the throttle exactly the same both
Well,
times.
if I open the throttle 100% right away,
Yeah.
people might be like, "Oh, you'll get more power," but there's literally proof right here that you don't get more power.
Yeah.
Because what you're seeing is the maximum torque happens at 4,488-ish. There you go. Or actually somewhere there. Which means when I'm opening up, it doesn't matter if I slowly twist the throttle open or if I jam it open right away, the power starts to build up.
Yeah.
So I'm just stock injectors. So stock tune versus tuned tune.
Oh, yeah, sweet. Oh, yeah, so
There's
good
4 horsepower
gains there.
difference and
Man, brother. What, what was it? Oh, what's the limiter at?
9,500
Oh, that's sweet.
normal.
That's cool, bro. Oh, and the red dash light things, how do they suss that out? People want them because people are already hitting me up for them.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn. Just message House of Customs.
And what, got a price?
I'm not gonna tell them your price.
No,
It's a
no,
special
no.
price.
Yeah.
I'll figure something out.
Okay, so they just gotta get in
I'll
touch
figure
with
something
you.
out. The good thing is the more that I do it, the better deals I can make. 'Cause,
Yeah.
you know.
Sweet. Okay, man. Thanks, Connor. Legend, brother. Come see the team at House of Customs, bro. Get you sorted. Easy. Man. Well, that's us in and out. Whānau. Back to Rotorua, or back to Te Aroha, pick up Lakin. He's with his koro. But nah, man, 120 horsepower. That's crazy because my night rod, just with the exhaust, is pretty much the only difference. It was 100 and I have to look back. It's on my other vlog when we bring it over here. I think it was like 128 horse. So she's gonna be a little bit sluggy, but that'll be enough, bro. Enough to party anyway. And it just from that little ride up and down the road, I can feel it's 10 times bloody better. But yeah, huge shout out to Connor and the team, his old man and them, for yeah, looking after me. They always pump out my work in there. And then yeah, that dash is probably my highlight of it all, you know, something different, red backlight. But we'll take it for a little ride on sunset tonight if it's not bloody rainy, and see what it looks like at night. Cause it's good in the day, you can't really see it, but at night time is where I want to see what it's like. But yeah, he didn't really give a price. I don't think it's too bad, like a couple of hundy maybe, I don't know. But if you just give Connor a buzz if he's have a look. I asked him what colours he does. He said he does red, blue, green, and I think a couple other colours. But he said, his old man said the best colours they reckon at night is the red and the blue, because it's not too hard out in your eyes. So like if you look down at it, you can see everything, but then when you look up, it's not blinding. But yeah, we'll head home, and then yeah, I'll take it for a bit of a spin, see how it feels now that it's all tuned in there, because it was not running good before. So yeah, see you in Rotorua. Here it is, Whānau. I'll bring it out to the lake. I'll just for a quick ride, needs to go get a bit further away. But yeah, look at it. Actually looks fucking sweet. No turbo now. That stock night rod exhaust with these tab side exits. Pretty butty, but it's growing on me. I never used to like that setup, but I reckon it sounds smooth. And to me, because these are all tucked up, you don't get a burnt leg or anything. Didn't notice my oil line's pretty close, so it is heat wrap, but I might put a bracket on that. But other than that, she's fucking slick as. Yeah, perfect time to ride. Check this out though. How fat is it? You know, just something different, eh? Instead of the old yellow. Yeah, it looks fat. Yeah, I love this bike here. I don't know if I'll sell this one. Might be the keeper. But yeah, it was an American imported one, so it was miles, but he's managed to change it all to K's, even on there, and then he calibrates it on his dyno, so it's all pretty bang on anyway. But yeah, bad bike. Yeah, might cruise back into town now. I don't know if I'll get any more footage. I'm just enjoying it really. Probably go on a big ride in a week or so, and I'll take the vrod, so I'll get some better footage then. But yeah, if I don't get any more vids on my ride, I just want to enjoy it, if I'm being honest. Yeah, I'll wrap it up when I get home. But yeah, fucking loving being back on the rod. It's been a few months since I sold my night rod, and then just had this when it was turbo, went for that one ride, and then that was pretty much it. That's on my vlog. But yeah, I might go for a ride back into town. That was a hectic ride out here. I can plane up. But yeah, let's go. Yeah, it's all done. We are home now. Didn't get much footage, I was just enjoying it, eh? But yeah, she's a bad girl, and we'll be fucking hissing this for a few rides now, and might start doing some work on the Dyno. But yeah, all is good. Fucking yeah, huge shout out to Connor and his old man and them and the team at House of Customs New Zealand and Pyro. They yeah, got it all right. Had a fuel pressure rig issue and stuff like that. It was running rich as when we took the turbo off. But yeah, no, it seems to be running mean now, and I love that dash how it's all red. But yeah, if he's into those dashes, he does all sorts of colours there. Or yeah, I think like red, blue, green. Yeah, I think there's a few colours, but yeah, just get a touch of them. Or yeah, he's on Instagram and Facebook and all that. But yeah, we'll wrap this video up there. Catch you on the next one.